Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: how to earn money from Google Maps in 2022. Everyone in internet way to earn money online at home. Here I will give two ideas about how to earn money from Google Maps in 2022. Google Maps many in this web basic service that's in his deleted information about graphic design research insight around the word authorization and traditional and road maps and Google Maps is alert and viewers in many locations. Recent post based online trading platform Pakistan in 2021 think recommended before choosing credible killing company home basic jobs from online training jobs from home Pakistan in 2022 in informational technology jobs Pakistan. It is some client Google Maps so state sense and future photography tech pictures. Google Maps Google Maps provide many service part of legal web application which is follower and rule partner and accreditation for drivers, bikes, vaults and use public transport who is travel from especially location and other. The Google Maps application program in fact IPI marks and possible from website administrator to emit Google Maps and property sites such as real estate guide, community service page. Google Maps of mobiles provide location service and modern use mobile device global posting systems, GPS location with wireless and collected network. Google Street Views enable using look it promote state live image oppressed and virtual defense citizen around and world. Supplement service offer particular of outside and move Mars and have. How does in Google Maps work? Google Maps is employ many each day written in traveling negative platform that's easy predict traffic and plot routed theme more and then in advanced billions key motor operator with Google Maps and additional that 220 constant and correlation around world say the search genuine Google Maps use machine relation with particular location source critical traffic included adjacent location hostical traffic partner location government data real time feedback from user that went how about best online work at home Pakistan investment this most really that's once quick links home contact online jobs discover terms and condition topic internet marketing tip earn money online jobs website creation web development automatic business useful topic computer graphic hosting programming softwares. Can your how can I get a jobs with maps? You can search and apply for open posting on the Google Maps Teams and Google Create site overshoes in your work estimate and terms Google's and more maps, stamps, and between Google Transfer comment the most terms has many attraction route, each with particular skill set. Can I make money with Google Maps? Google AdWords programming allow business portion ad website earn quick 70% of revenue in advertisement placed on its website including Google Maps. How does Maps and make money? Google could be popular program that is dominated internet landscape since its creation in 1998 is this company is because it's one day to day life most the company popular product are liberty and use and heart in customer. How to make money from Google Maps. However, Google target with partner company Alphabet is changing from just include engine optimization that provide pro in very product and service include Google's Code, Gmail's, Google's Book, YouTube and Search Google Maps. Google Maps particular population, negative tools and powerful on mobiles, device and desktop computer. All target Google does in pay and use field in such website. Procter make billions of dollars target fees advertising revenues and ad share program key tech wise Google offer many product service include Google's Code Gmail's Work YouTube and Google Maps. Google does not charges and use searching on the website but in company make billions of dollar target fee and advertising reviews. Google AdWords program allow business to posting ads Google website. Google's earn quick 17% revenues and advertisement place website Google Maps. Understanding how to earn money from Google Maps in 2022. Google earn a majority of revenues target advertising visitor website. The company Google AdWords program allows business to advertise in good ways and include search engine maps and video email platform and return Google changing complex from advertising will compressed get benefit of brand explore to the millions of people who use Google product. For example, I quick in map Boston on Google.com would offer among and these things in their map and to target Google Maps. These maps allows user constant and interest search engine areas the top to the popular search result screen a service short advertisement following post and basic business hostel restaurant and other sites selling hard copies of city that type of paid advertising that the primary very drawing with Google earn it is revenue. Google also generate revenues from Google AdSense program. Companies can advertising a website which use an word along basic use and search activity. Other Google words add similar Google's wants an advertisement but instead place in company website member these company get paid from advertising with visitor click advertisement on these website and paid promotion advertisement revenue. Google revenue for maps Revenue, the sales and goods service. Allow Google does and not respect figure organization financial performance of mass product and finance estimates show revenues by suggesting Google income in September 13, 219 online and web according qualified and reported revenues for assistant cutter and billions of 200 highlights green adverse revenues will be included finger revenues worth total less than since was 400 million Google States website generation over 60%, 17% of companies millions of revenues and include Gmail, financial Google Pay, using and financial result. Google's include total estimate revenues more than millions of budgetary growth and 4.6 billions in Google's Mac platform. Also revenues from compressed interest requirement, negative tracking and mapping target Google Maps platform. These Google apps in general toward business that advertisement and subscription visitor maps and mobile application. Google Maps platform, for example, ride sharing companies can connect these apps or software application to Google's Maps and website while travel and track help and acted. Once of these made help detect rating, time tracking and drive complaints and explain use in maps trace workouts, especially with feed program help Google changing effect price point and costed amount use corporate. Google also offer 24 hours and transmission supported and target maps similarly search and result capacity or resolution image. Google Maps have in many service developers photography route and include areas. I hope you have basic information how to earn money. Google Maps in 2022 Google Maps platform and usually like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission updates and subscribe to my channel. Google Maps.